Alright everybody, it's me. It's 10 after 10 in the morning and I got here really early. It's Tuesday, by the way. I got here really early, like 8 o'clock, and I just went right back to sleep. I am so tired. So I woke up not too long ago and diagnosing the van continues. So anyways, I dug out of my storage, the one I emptied out and closed yesterday, my Snap-on brick. I haven't used this in 25 years and I can't believe it still works. I don't know if you can see the screen. So I should be able to diagnose my van today. I can't remember how to use this because it's been so, here's all the connectors and stuff. I can't remember if I'm supposed to connect this guy to the positive battery terminal or what, but that's how it works. I'm waiting for my dad to get back. He went out shopping. He knows how to use this, or at least I hope he remembers how, because I don't. I've been thinking about it all morning. So I'm just kind of gonna have to guess here. I do have the reference manual here. I've been kind of reading it to refamiliarize myself with this thing, but I haven't used one of these or even seen this in 25 years. So I am surprised this thing still works. I just had to put a new 9-volt battery in it and it fired right up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'll be back in a little bit once I have this connected, and we'll see what's going on with Big Blue. Alrighty. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm doing a key on engine run test. It's kind of starting to come back to me. There, and then battery power. And so now I'm just waiting for whatever appears on the screen. Alright, here we go. So it's giving me code 16 on the running test, which means the idle's too high. No codes present, and oh, where'd it go? Code 12, cannot raise RPM, extended idle. 16 ICS, or ISC RPM too high for self-test. And then that's it. Okay, so code 12, what that means is that the idle air control is not functioning. It's not opening or closing. So that can only mean one thing. It's still clogged. I doubt it. I cleaned out the throttle body already. And the IAC motor is brand spanking new. There it is. Brand spanking new. So if I change the IAC motor again, I have a used one here, an old one. And if this thing suddenly starts to act right, man, that's another Napa part that broke on me or is defective on me. That's like 75% of the parts that I buy from Napa have not worked right. And that just makes me very, very upset. Alrighty, so let's continue on. Okay, so I'm back in the van. I'm just taking a bit of a rest. It's 10 afternoon. I'm going to order myself some lunch, get myself something to eat. Wait for the engine to cool down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and remove the new IAC motor and put the old one back in and see what happens. Well, it's not the old one to this van. I have a spare one that I'm pretty sure still works. I did a resistance check across its terminals and it was only 9 ohms. So that is actually in better shape than the new IAC motor that I checked, and it was almost at 14 ohms. So conceivably there could be a problem with this new IAC valve, which at this point it just kind of pisses me off because, you know, whenever I go to Napa I expect at least halfway decent parts, and 75% of the time at this point they turn out to be not good parts, and I'm buying premium parts. I'm not buying the cheapos. So if that is the case and everything works right, I'm just going to bite my tongue and go to AutoZone and just get a new IAC valve. As much as I'm not a big fan of AutoZone, at the very least, you know, when I do pick up parts from there, they work. So anyways, wish me luck, guys. I'll make another video a little bit later after everything cools down and have some food in my stomach. Okay, bye.